What's up, everybody? Chillbo back again. Playing Conquest of Planet Earth, space alien game by Flying Frog. Playing solo. We're playing the Beetlemen. Yes, that's the race. The Beetlemen. They're trying to conquer. Even though they did in real life, they're not doing a very good job in this game. I drew some new cards. Let me just quickly show you what they are. I've always had Contagion. This is going to be a good one if I could spend 2 action points. That'll give us a terror point. That's good. We only have 2. The resistance track is already up to 6 out of 10, so they're clearly winning. Gearing up, I could spend an action point to draw a space stuff card, which I would like to do. And if I win a fight, I gain 2 alien menace tokens. Well, we got everybody on the board, and there is an effect in play. Prepared defenses that all the resistance is +1. All resistance, all locations are +1. So there we are. We're going to roll our die. We're going to see how many points we get. 6 is a good thing because I would definitely like to play this for 2 to give us 1 terror point. I'm going to keep that off to the side. So now we have 3. But now I only have 4 left. And those 4 are going to have to be to move these guys. I'm going to move all 4 of them into here. Because something has just got to come up where we're going to find a location that we're going to be able to take over. Okay, so we've moved. We spent our action points. And yes, I could still buy space stuff for 3 action points over there. I could do that once per turn. And I have an action there to do that. But I had to move these guys. I just had to. All right, let's see what kind of location we come up with. We just flew over there. Oh, this is nice. It's a city. It's worth 3 victory points. And we have 3. So this would give us 6. This would be awesome to take. There's 3 resistance that I have to fight, but because of this prepared defenses, it's an extra resistance. So there's 4 resistance at this location. All right, so we got our work cut out for us. We're going to have 4 resistance to fight here. And it's also good we don't have any resistance counters there either. All right, so we're going to have to fight 4 resistance here. I still have Contagion. Play at any time to roll a d6 for every resistance and resistance counter in a space this turn. This is awesome to use. Every resistance. Now, this is for the entire turn, so I could do this for every resistance that I pull. On a 4+, it's wiped out, and if this hero's left, they're dead automatically. That is good. That's really good. All right, let's go. Let's see what happens. I say it's really good until it happens. Could this be our second #1 song? All right, we got to fight 4 resistance. Here we go with our first resistance card. I tell you, the Flying Frog production cards, these things are serious business. I mean, they are the thickest cards in the world. I could buy a few more games and side my house with these things. All right, here we go. Resistance, the first one we pick. Oh, that is good. They are soft people. People are soft. I'm going to put them right in the middle there. They have a 1. I have a 3 each because they're not hard resistance. Well, my 3 each gives me a 12. I have a +11 on them. But they could still win with a crushing victory, right? All right. I got a +11. And I beat them. So that is the first one knocked. We got 3 more to go. Here's our second resistance. Now, I could play that Contagion at any time. So I haven't played it yet. But if we see something coming up that's going to, hurt us. All right. And here's something that might hurt us. They're hard. They're a 7. But I am now hard. I get a +1 strength. Let's see. So that's 16. I have a +9 on them. But you know what? I'm going to play Contagion. I don't know. I just can't take the stress anymore. Let's get rid of Contagion. Roll a d6 on a 4 or more. Everything's gone. So I'm keeping Contagion in play right now because it is in play. 4 or more, this thing is gone. So let's try that first. And it's a 3. Did you really expect me to roll a 4? No. So now we have to fight them. So we're a 16. They're a 7. I have +9 on them. Here we go. Oh, I got a crushing victory anyway. So that is the second resistance before we could try to take over the city. So far, so good. Let's get our third fight out of 4. Wow. Okay, we're kind of lucking out. When drawn, also place a paratrooper's resistance counter in another random space, in one of the random space on the board section. All right, hold on while I go grab a paratroopers. Okay, paratroopers were grabbed. Let's see where they're going to go on our board. They're going on number 4. So that's 1, 2, 3. They're going right down here onto the mountain observatory. All right, well, I still have my Contagion in play, so I'm going to try to kill these guys. And I rolled a 2. I needed a 4 or more to actually kill them outright with the Contagion, but I did not. So there I got a fight now. We have a 16 to their 2. I have a +14 on them. But, once again, if they roll a 6, they did not. So our 14 gives us a 16 to their 4. So we beat them again. I'm glad I brought the whole band there to do this city. That is our third resistance. Normally we would have taken that city and earned our 3 points. But because of their prepared defenses, we have to fight 1 additional resistance. So here it is. Let's make it easy. Well, I don't know if it's going to be easy. It is going to be easy. The local police is out. Strength of 2. Now, I like my men in blue. Don't get me wrong. But here we go. Contagion first. And unfortunately, yes. Unfortunately for them, we rolled a 4. The Contagion kills them. I don't even have to fight. So there are our 4 resistance that we had to fight for this round to conquer the city. And guess what? We did. City has been conquered. That gives us 3 points there. 2 points down here. That's 5. And we have our feeding on the dead. That's another one. We have 6 points. Pardon me. But I don't want to speak too soon in this game. We got 6 points out of our 8. But now, of course, it's time for the resistance phase. This can go away. Because here comes a new event. Stolen technology. The human tech track. Oh, this is just not good. Immediately moves 1 step forward. And roll a d6 for every space stuff in play. Discard it. So we have no space stuff. But they move their track up again to a 7, which puts them in the 3 dice rolling category to see if there's any human tech coming out. But we just landed on a red. Because we're on a red, we need a random counter on each board section. Up top, we're going to get a 1. Let's see what we draw. And it is more infantry. And down below here, on a 3, that's over in the mountains, mountain range, tanks. Tanks, but no tanks. All right, that wasn't so bad. That was only from the event card. Now we have to check for location liberation. We're safe there, and we are definitely safe there. And of course, again, move the human tech track. This just seems like it's going quicker and quicker. They're at 8. We have 6 points. This is going to be the closest game yet. All right. Are there any move counters out? There are not. Are there any barrage counters out? There are not. So none of that happens. I do roll now for a tech breakthrough, but we have to roll 3 dice. And if any 6s are rolled, they get a tech bonus, which only makes matters worse. And I didn't roll a 6. That could be awesome, but we don't know yet. All right, my Contagion card is long gone. And, we did win a fight, by the way. I am going to play this. I'm going to draw 2 Alien Menace tokens. So let's get those 2 tokens up here. There we go. And place them on our card. I really didn't have to burrow around yet, because we're allowed to burrow around and help our fellow guys, but we didn't have to do that yet. Okay, well, that's the end of turn 4. I think it was turn 4, whatever turn it was. And we have 6 points. The Resistance has 8 points. They win at 10, we win at 8. That is it. The Beetlemen. Conquest of Planet Earth. Guys, we will see you next time. Take care. Chillbo out.